Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Forerunner 230 and 235 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the band on your Forerunner. So my Forerunner is over a year and a half old, and as you can see the band is starting to crack and some pieces have even fallen off. So I purchased a new band on Amazon for around $8, and check the link in the description to find the band that I'm using here. And this band does include the tools for replacing the band. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, we have these two very small screwdrivers with a unique head on it that will fit the band screw right here. And you do need two of them. And then we have the actual band right here. They do have several different colors online, so you can get the one that fits your needs. First thing we need to do is just unscrew the screws. So as you can see, if you turn one side, the other side will spin. So you need to apply pressure using the other screwdriver. Now if you do not have a vise, I recommend putting this on the table when you're turning this. Once you've loosened the bolts, you can spin them freely on one side and it will just continue to loosen and it won't spin the other side. Alright, so as you can see in the watch band, this is what it looks like. So you want to make sure that you do not lose these small pieces. Once you remove one part of the watch band, I recommend replacing it before you remove the other side, just so you don't mix up the different parts and you ensure that you don't lose them. Then just tighten them, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once you tighten it enough where if you spin it on the one side, then it spins on the other side, just use both tools again to torque it down lightly so that it stays secure. Now just repeat the process on the other side of the watch. Once you get the other part of the band secured, you can go ahead and put your watch on. And as you can see, these new bands fit great, they feel great. They're also a little bit softer than the original. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase, and I also like the color of completely black. So that's how you replace the band on your Garmin Forerunner 230 or 235. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link in the description so you can find this exact band on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel Gauging Gadgets for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.